Are you guys searching for a specific seller on eBay? Well, don't worry. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to search for a specific seller on eBay. Let's dive right in. First of all, go to the eBay's official website, ebay.com. You have to be signed in for this. Then go to the advanced button right next to the search bar. Click on it or directly go to the URL here, ebay.com/sch/eBay-adv-search. If you click here, it basically takes you to advanced search. Here, go to advanced search by seller. Click on it. Here, next include, just type in the name that you want to search. You have to find their username. Go to the bottom, then click on search. It will bring you all the products that the seller is selling to you. And that's how I search a seller by their username. If you enjoyed this video, like this video and subscribe for more videos just like this. Thank you guys for watching and see you guys in the next video.